Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Simon Mwangi. I am the hub manager at JHUB Africa, which is a digital innovation hub based at Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, and we're looking to bridge that gap between academia and industry. We find that it takes around 5 to 8 years for the average graduate to be able to get a job in Kenya, and those are quite alarming rates. So we are trying to see how we can ensure that as the graduate graduates, he also graduates with not only the certificate, but also the project that they are working on. So within the JHUB ecosystem, we have a number of innovations within the ecosystem. Some are in the prototyping stages, others in the testing, but we have some that have actually moved to the commercialization stage. And we see this as an opportunity for young people during this time and this age. With the age of emerging technologies, we believe that this is the age that we can be able to use these emerging technologies to be able to propel the innovations within any space that they are in. So as JHUB Africa, we are looking towards ensuring that they actually propel their innovations to commercialization. That is I would say that is our goal, that is our dream. Basically, JKUAT is part of the ITACA program. JKUAT together as part of JHUB Africa, which is within the JKUAT ecosystem. That's the way we've been involved in this program. And myself, as Simon, I was part of the interviewers and the video makers who are honored to be able to take the interviews and videos for this program. So that is basically why I'm here representing JHUB, and also here as an interviewer and a video maker for the ITACA project. Basically, from the three, we've had 3 courses in the ITACA program. So we have the AI for sustainability, sustainable development, we have the climate, green economy, and we've also had the ecotourism, which we are doing today. So I think all of these are interconnected in the sense that my takeaway would be the aspect of how we can use emerging technologies such as AI to be able to propel some of the innovations that the entrepreneurs or the startup founders who have been able to come for this program. I see the new program that is coming in to replace ITACA, that is the Atlantis, coming in and also being able to propel these activities even further. So I think this is a good initiative that the European Union and together with the University of Cattolica have brought about. And through this, we can be able to move ahead and involve other communities, other institutions, and ensure that everyone is up to par with the emerging technologies that are there. I would say we have a number of projects that we are currently working on, not only myself, but as an ecosystem of players. But I would say the main project that have actually has actually caught my mind, and I believe it's going places, is called SmartNyuki. SmartNyuki is a IoT-based project where we are using IoT sensors to be able to ensure that we can be able to measure certain conditions across beehives, that is in temperature, humidity, weight. So you don't need to keep monitoring your beehive. You as the local farmer, I believe this project is going places. I see JHUB as the main, I would say the main innovation hub where students, innovators, entrepreneurs, ecosystem builders are already working towards ensuring that they have well-versed projects that are in commercialization, known as the hub for commercialization, because you see there are so many innovations that are being done by every ecosystem player, but the problem is, have they propelled towards the commercialization? Because us as JHUB Africa, we believe that is the main goal. If you're doing an innovation or you're doing a project, but it is still in stages that it's not propelling, it's not moving to the next stage, JHUB Africa is a place for you. So I believe in the next 5 years, look out for JHUB Africa. My parting shot would be innovation. As I always say, innovation cannot thrive in isolation. Collaboration is key, and the main aspect of this ITACA project is because we've had collaboration between the Italian side and the Kenyan side coming together. So I believe that this is the future. Collaboration is key. We cannot thrive in isolation, and we need to ensure that all we come together and ensure that we move towards a great goal. Thank you. It's just a way so na imagine unatumia mtu leo. Unatumia mtu leo.